Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you don't know me, my name is Gospel Ubiake. On this my YouTube channel, I share a simple way on how you can make money online. So on this video today, I'm going to show you how you can make up to $100 by promoting affiliate products on this video. I want you to watch this video from the beginning to the end because I'm going to show you step-by-step guide on how it works. And what is good about this video is that you don't need a website to start affiliate marketing, and is what I'm going to show you on this video. So just keep on watching. Let me take you now to my computer and show you step-by-step on how you can use this method and start making up to $100 every single month or every single week. It just depends on you and the strategy that you are going to apply to start making money with affiliate marketing. So let us head over to my computer. So as you can see my computer screen here, the first thing we need to do is to find the affiliate product that we want to promote and start making money with that particular affiliate program. So since you don't have any affiliate program that you want to promote, or you don't know anyone that you want to promote, let us go and do a research. So we need to go to ChatGPT here. So now that you're on ChatGPT, what you need to do is to give ChatGPT a very simple prompt like this. Give me affiliate site that pays recurring commission. And ChatGPT is going to give you a lot of list of affiliate programs that you can start promoting and start making recurring commission. Recurring commission is a commission that you are getting paid every single month for each particular person that you refer to a particular website. Let us say, for example, you are promoting Netflix and one of your friends is using Netflix and is paying every single month like $6. You are going to be getting like 30% from that $6 every single month, as long as that your friend is using that Netflix premium plan. So that is how this affiliate marketing work, and that is the type of product or services that you need to be promoting so that you will be getting paid good amount of money, not just once but every single month revenue. Imagine that you refer 20 people to that particular offer. You are going to be making a lot of money if you do this. So that is why I say you can make up to $100 if you know what you are doing and if you follow the step-by-step guide of what I'm going to show you on this video. So let us head over to my computer screen again. So once you come here, you can see what he have given me here. A web and 30% lifetime recurring commission with a generous 365 days cookie window, which is what I've already told you. This 365-day cookie window is if anyone click on your affiliate link and they come back in the next 2 days, they are going to place the order, you are going to get the commission. So that is how this cookie work. Is store their click on your browser. Whenever they go to that website that you are promoting and purchase the product, you are going to still get the commission within a duration of 365 days. So that is it. So let us say I click on it now. It's going to open up, and this is a blog. It's somebody that have blog on this. So if you want to learn how you can like create your website, you can go to the description of this video. You are going to find a video that's going to help you to create your free website for free. You are not paying any money. So we are going to scroll down here. Those are affiliate programs that pay recurring commission. So you can see all these are affiliate programs that pays recurring commission. So what we need to do now is to choose one of them here. Let us say, for example, want to choose this one, which is called ConvertKit. So the one we are going to use today is ConvertKit. So what we need to do is to just scroll down, down on this is ConvertKit. So this is ConvertKit affiliate program. I'll click on that, and as you can see, it have bring us to ConvertKit affiliate program here. So what we need to do now is to join this affiliate program. If I click on apply to join, and it's going to open up a form. So we are going to fill up this form. And once you fill it up, it's going to be open on this platform, which is called Partner Stack. So now you know the affiliate program that you want to promote. You have filled the form and they have given you your unique link. So let us assume now that you have your link. What you need to do now is to go back. Now that you know the type of affiliate program that you want to promote, the next thing we need to do is to write a blog about this particular website that we are trying to promote. So how can we do it? We need to go back to ChatGPT. Once you come to ChatGPT, like what you are seeing on the screen, and I have written this, I want to write a blog post about this website ConvertKit, and I don't have any idea of what to write. Can you help me write a post with a good low competition keyword that will rank on Google? Make sure the blog is optimized for SEO and easy to understanding, which can lead to sales. So this is what I've asked ChatGPT to do for me. So what I need to do now is to click on enter. From what we need to do now is to tell ChatGPT to write the blog for us. Let me just say write the blog for me. I don't need to say a lot of things. Look at what I told ChatGPT after he gave me all the outlines here. I come down here and I told ChatGPT write the blog for me, and he said got it. So now ChatGPT is going to write out a good SEO blog for us. As you can see, he has write how to set up email sequence in ConvertKit, a simple step-by-step guide. So now he have written out the blog for us. So as you can see, he have written out the blog. If you want ChatGPT to keep on writing, you will give him more prompts, tell him what you want him to do, and it will keep on writing for you. Let us assume now we'll have everything that we need to do here. Now that you have created your blog, so let us move to how you can market this your affiliate product. So what we need to do is to come to this website, which is called Quora. So once you come to Quora here, you need to create your account. I will show you two ways that you can use to market your affiliate product on Quora. So the first way is to create a space. Click on here like this, and you enter your first name, enter your description about what this your space is. Once you are done with that, click on create. So once you have created it, you are going to be seeing your space here. This is one of my space that I've created. If I click on it, it's going to open up and you can see the space on this my account. It's just like a page on Facebook, you know, that you can be blogging and writing articles in anything that you want to write articles about. So what we need to do now is to come and publish our blog here, the blog that ChatGPT have written for us. So what we need to do is to go back to ChatGPT here, and we need to copy our blog. So I will copy our blog now. So now that I've copied it, I will come back to this website, which is Quora, and I will click here where it says post in God's power, make money online. And I will click on paste. So now that we have pasted this, all we just need to do is to set up everything to be optimized and organized and everything. So we can make it here, maybe the title, click on this icon here. And once you click on it, you make this one heading 1 so that Quora, we understand that this is the title of this blog. So this rest of the part, this part of the body, you can make it like a paragraph. So to make it a paragraph, what you need to do is to click on this part here. Just click here like this. And once you click on heading, this heading 1, it will make everything paragraph. So that is how you can do it. Here you can leave the introduction, and that is how you paste in everything. So let us say you want to add an image. It's very simple to click here and bring your mouse down, and you click here back, and you click on this image icon, and it's going to take you to your computer. So what you need to do now is to go to where you, let us say where you put your image. Let us say my image, I will take one from here. So I will use this my image as one of my video. You can go and watch this video, guys. It's very, very helpful. So I will click on it. It will open. So now that you have opened, you can see this is now my thumbnail that is going to be showing whenever people visit this my blog. So the next thing I need to do is to add an affiliate link. So to add an affiliate link, you need to put like call to action. You can just say like get convert kit. You know, you can just do something like this, and you can make it bold. Click here and you can make it bold so that people can see what you are putting as a call to action. Let us say this is my affiliate link. I'll just use my own website as the example. Copy this URL. Once you copy this URL here, you need to go back to Quora and you need to paste in your affiliate link. Just put in your mouse here. Once you put in your mouse, click on this link logo or icon, and you paste in your link here, and you click on the part where it said add. Just click on this add icon, and now this is now a link now. So once we are done with everything, we have automized it according to what we want. We just need to click on post. So now that we have clicked on post, you can see that our blog now is live on this website. So anyone that anyone that read this our blog and they click on the part where it said get convert kit, is going to take them to that our affiliate link. If they purchase that product, you are going to make money. That is how this business model works. It's very simple. You just need to know how to do the marketing, and you will start getting free traffic to that your affiliate product. This is just for example, guys. So another way that you can use to do this is still this website, which is called medium.com. In medium.com, you can create your account. It's very simple. What you need to do is to click on the section where it said write a story, or the section where it said write. I'll click on it, and here is going to pop up asking us for a title of this our blog. So we need to come back to this website, which is called ChatGPT, and copy our title, which is this one here, and go back to medium.com, put in our title here. And once we are putting our title, the next thing we need to do is to enter the body of the blog, so which is this one here. All we just need to do is to come down and start from here. I'll just start from here. So let us copy everything here and copy, go back to medium.com, paste in your blog. So now that you have pasted in your blog, like what I told you, you need to optimize everything and make it to look SEO friendly, so that whenever people come to this your blog, you will be able to get sales. You'll be able to make money, because when they see that everything is rough, you will not make money. People will just leave because your article is not organized. Organize everything and make it to look more better. I'm just doing it just to be fast for this video not to be too long. So the next thing you need to do here now is to put in your mouse anywhere around here. Put in your mouse here. Let me say someplace like this, and you will see this kind of plus icon. Click on it. Once you click on it, you'll be seeing that you have the option to be able to upload videos and image. So you can click on image here, and you can go to where you downloaded that your image. We can still use that same image, which is this one here, and I will click on open, and this is now our thumbnail. So the next thing we need to do is to add in our own affiliate link. Like what I told you, make sure that your call to action, your call to action button have to be bold. You know, we can just do, for example, again, we can just do convert kit. Just do it in capital letter. Don't forget about that. Convert kit. We can do get convert kit. So now that you have put get convert kit, don't forget, go to your affiliate link, copy your affiliate link, come to this platform, and just put in your mouse on top and just copyright it, and you will see a link icon again. Click on the link icon, paste in your affiliate link, and click on enter from your computer. This will now be a link. So whenever they come to this blog, they are going to access it. So what you need to do is to make it bold. To make it bold, just copyright it again, and you click on it. You will see that the link will be bold. So once you are done with everything, just like I told you, you click on publish, and here you are going to enter a keyword. We can just enter like email marketing. Just enter email marketing, and you click on the section where it said publish now. So now that we have clicked on publish, this our blog is going to go live. So that is one thing that is very, very important about these two websites that I've showed you on how you can use to do your marketing with affiliate products. This platform is a platform that can allow you to promote affiliate products and get a commission by you doing this. So that is one thing that is good about this platform, which is called medium.com and Quora. So let me show you one thing. When I click on similar web here, you can see that this platform, they are getting a lot of traffic to their website. So let us go back to the home page first. I think is here. Yes. So when I click here, you will see that medium.com is getting 86 million monthly visitors every single month. 86 million. Imagine what you can get from that 86 million visitors. If we come to Quora here and we click on this similar web too, you can see that Quora is getting 464.9 million visitors every single month. This is a platform that will allow you to get a share from those traffic that is coming to their platform. So that is how you can promote those affiliate products with this website without using your own website. So guys, that is the two strategy that you can use to promote affiliate products and get paid in return by doing this. So that is everything that I want to talk about on this video on how you can make up to $100 a month or up to $100 every single week. It just depends on you and effort you are going to put in. So what do I think about this strategy, and how can you multiply this your money, or how can you make good amount of money with this strategy. First is that you should keep on repeating what you just learned on this video, and you will be getting traffic to that particular affiliate product that you are trying to promote. And use ChatGPT as an assistant. Anything that ChatGPT is going to write for you, go and optimize what ChatGPT have done so that it will look more better, so that it will rank on Google search engine, and you are going to make money at the end of the day. So that is everything that I want to talk about on this video. And if you want to learn how you can make money by blogging on your own website, you can watch this video that is going to pop up right now. I will see you guys on my next upcoming video. Peace.